yeah, position's all about.
Tango Charlie from Oscar Tango 97, we're just getting off at 6 now over.
Okay, he's off at speed now, not sure if he's aware that we're behind him. Shall I light this up? He's going. Yeah, Tango Sierra 2-1, he's pulling away from us. We're 135, 140, still pulling away. We'll need air ops to give commentary.
Yeah, 5-5, we're struggling to keep up with it as well. We haven't got much fuel either. We'll try and keep with it as best we can.
160.
Yeah, Audi A7 at speed, M42 failing to stop for West Mids officers. Any mobiles in that vicinity, over?
Yeah, and he's done a left. Yeah, anybody knows the Mercedes garage? If you do a first left at the Mercedes and first right, they've parked up 1, 2, 3, 4 persons out of the vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, second vehicle, come to the Mercedes garage and just park on that crossroads for me, please.
Okay, there was 4 in the vehicle. We think 2 have gone into an address somewhere, but there's another 2 went behind that wall. Just confirm there's someone in that bush.
Yes.
Superb. Okay, we are recording.
5 Tango Victor 1-1 over.
Good, over.
Yeah, are you in a position to come to ITA? We need to pass you a message over.
Cracking job, en route for a cup of tea. Back to base.
Thank you.